Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Para here. And I know you guys haven't heard from me for a while. That's because I've been working hard to get this thing. Yes guys, I got an Eclipse. I got a 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse. I got it because it was actually a really good deal, and because I just fell in love with it when I saw it, and because my girlfriend has an Eclipse and it's a convertible. So I saw this one. I'm like, I have to get it because like the only reason why I would get an Eclipse, like the only Eclipse I would get is from this year because they just look mean and they just look so nice. And I told myself I'm gonna get a black one, and I got a black one. And this car is just, I fell in love with it. Like, I've been working hard just to get this car, and it's another project. This thing, it does have some things I need to fix, but it's nothing that big or major or whatever. It's not that bad. I'll show you guys that tomorrow, but I'm gonna do a walk around tomorrow once I'm at work. But right now, what I'm gonna do is, the speakers sound really nice on this car. It has cables already from the previous owner. It has like cables to, so I can connect what's it called, the subwoofer and like the amp and everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the amp and not the subwoofer, but just the amp from my truck, my other truck, and I'm gonna install it in this car. And then I think I have a subwoofer laying around over there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna install that because I need some music up in here, like loud music. I love my music really loud because just look at this car. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by when I say that it has cables already. So this is one of the cable. This is for the, okay, this is from the radio, as you can see. It's from the radio, and then back here, I'm gonna stick my hand down here, and here's the wire from the battery, and then yeah, and then I'm just gonna need a ground cable, which I believe right here, that's where they had it, I guess, but I'm not sure because yeah, but yeah. Yes, and then also it also has what's it called, the volume thing for the bass, so I can connect it to the amp. I'll show you guys the inside here. Took this little cubby thing. I'll explain later what this is for. But if I take this off, I found out that I found this thing, right? And this is for the amp. I can just tune it if I want a lot of bass or not that much bass, you know? So this, I like this. It is useful. I really don't like this. I don't know why they had it like that, but I don't like it, but I'm gonna remove that later on. Okay guys, so now that I'm back here, I'm actually thinking of taking the wheel off because I don't know what's under there, and you know, I'm just gonna clean it. So what I'm gonna do is, since this thing doesn't like work, I'm gonna get a socket and a little nut or whatever and take that off. Okay guys, so that looks all rusted and ugly and shit. So what I'm about to do is take all this out, clean it, and I might even add some of this, you know, just so it doesn't rust, or it doesn't rust as much, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna be adding this. Okay guys, so what I ended up doing is my little brother. Anyways, I ended up taking this off, and because I want to get down here good. So I'm about to vacuum this again. Vacuum it, and then I might sand it. Yeah, I'm gonna sand all that rust off and then paint it. Cause yeah, I just don't like that. So I put in a mask on because I don't want to be breathing this thing in. And then I also got this. Sand this down much quicker, you know. So yeah, let's get this down. Well, while that shit dries, I'm gonna go get the amp from my other truck, and then the sub, and see if this thing works, you know? See how it sounds. Okay guys, so I just installed the amp. I did all the wiring, and then also just have this sub here just to see if it gets any, like, you know, any music or anything, if it sounds, if it works or anything. So what I'm about to do is I'm actually gonna test it. So I'm gonna put a song on my laptop, and then see if it sounds. Shit. Look at the key. I hear something in the back. I don't know what it is. Aux. Girl, go ahead and show me how you go down. And I feel my whole body beat. I don't think it works. Okay, it's not getting any power. I don't know if it's because the car's not on. I'm gonna try it with the car on. See, actually, I don't know, cause like it looks like it's connected. It's not getting any power though. So the cable is right here. Oh, what is this? Whoa. Now I see what the problem is. What the fuck? What is this shit? Whoa. Yeah, I found the problem. It's just not even connected. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to find this out. I don't know how this happened, but it happened. So I'm about to disconnect it from there and then connect this shit before I do anything. Okay, guys, so I don't even have a fuse in here, so I can't even play any music without having the fuse inside there. And I don't even know what kind of wires these are, so I'm gonna try to find some. I'm trying to find. I don't want to order them because it's just gonna take long, especially right now. I just don't want to wait, so I'm thinking of just buying any wires from Walmart and just rewire it again. But that's a bummer, guys, because I really wanted to listen to some music, loud ass music tomorrow. But oh well. I'm just gonna have to wait, guys, for the subs and stuff. But at least I got some stuff done. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So I came to this one store to buy it to see if they have the fuse, and this store really looks so nice.
What it is in the back of my car? Yeah. Really? Did she get the two graders? How much this one you think? I don't like that. I want it.
Guys, if I ever own like a radio, like a store like this, I would like to have it like this. You can hear the bass and things. Okay, guys, so I asked the lady if there's any. She's gonna go check. Just look at this car, guys. Like, this is badass.
This is what Static Leo just put installed in that.
What?
This.
Right?
Yeah. Wow. This is just like that store he was at.
I'll buy everything new one day. Watch. Oh, look at this big ass speaker over here. One day I will get one of these. Damn, $499 plus the amp. Ooh, I might have to.
For just one sub?
For this, yeah.
You have 5 in. Okay.
Look at this Civic. Okay, guys, so I got the fuse.
Okay.
They did have them. She's about to go get another one. I'm just gonna get another one just in case. Bro, we should ask her if we can play music. What if it's loud or not? Oh no, never mind. It's so badass. Yeah.
Got the amps on here and everything.
This is some dumb right here.
I can walk it. Can I walk
Yeah,
it?
it's what, huh? Is it like self-working?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
don't
great.
worry.
This is glass floor, right?
Yeah, I think it's glass.
I can step on it, right?
Yeah, I step on these all day.
Okay, yeah,
I just got home and I already have the fuse on. And then I'm about to just install it and see if anything works now. Hopefully this works. Because if not, I got like an extra one too. Just in case. So then now I grabbed this subwoofer just to see if it works. And right now I'm about to play some music. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing we did yesterday, but now with the fuse. So I'm gonna wait for that to work. Not USB. Aux. Okay. I'm looking kind of scared. I don't know.
I just got some stupid dog from this whole from the southside. Don't let shoot my OG man, that nigga from the southside. Shout out DZ and them lows who crippin' on the southside.
Does work. It works. Okay guys, so now that everything is good on that car, everything's wired up, it works. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get this box, but I'm gonna change the subwoofer because the sub is all blown out. So I'm gonna just go grab another one, slap it on that box. Okay guys, so when I had the sub in, the small sub, it's not as loud as I like it. So what I'm thinking is just putting the whole box back here because I love bass and I want to see how loud it is. So that's what I'm about to do. Just gonna, I got some extra wiring so it can reach up to here. Okay guys, so I just installed this back here. I did all the wiring, passed it through over here, so I just played the song and it sounds badass. Let me play another one for you guys. Hope I don't get copyrighted.
When you're rich like this, you try to forecast everything's gonna rain. Better break through a brick, ain't worth go cook no brain. No brain, ain't worried about you. I'ma do what I do and I do my thing. My thing.
Okay guys, so I'm in a car meet right now. Well, not a car meet. We came to see if there was a car meet, but like I don't see any cars. I see some cars that be passing by, but like, oh well. It's too hot right now. Too many cops. So we stopped here at McDonald's quick. Just came to check out my car, you know. This is my car and this is my girl's car. So if you guys want to check out her channel, that's her clips. Turn your lights on.
My lights are not good right now, bro.
It don't matter.
Turn my lights on. Tito, turn my lights on.
With the fog lights too. With the fog.
What the fog?
I'm thinking wrong. I can't even get through this. Wait, let's take a picture together.
Picture?
Yeah, just wait.